Meteorologist Serena Arnold. And did you know that clouds are lighter than air? This should be shocking to you. You should be like, what? How is that possible? Because my weather weenies know that clouds are not water vapor. They're not the gas form necessarily. They have water drops in them. The reason you can see clouds is because they are tiny water drops. How is it that liquid water can weigh more than air? Let's talk about it. Let's remember that our air has weight to it. I know it doesn't feel like it. It's around us all the time, but the air is actually pushing on us with about 15 pounds per square inch on your entire body at all times. During high pressure, that can be like 16 pounds. During low pressure, it's like 14. Either way, the air has a weight and it's actually heavy. A kilometer squared, or a cube that's a kilometer wide, tall, deep, and all that kind of stuff. If you were to weigh the air in that, it weighs about 2.2 billion pounds. If we take that same volume of a cumulus cloud, say it's 1 kilometer squared and it's got water vapor, it has air molecules in it, and we're going to assume about a half a gram per meter cubed of water drops. No raindrops, no ice particles, just that typical flat bottom little puffy cumulus you see floating through the sky. That cloud of the same size is going to weigh about 1.4 billion pounds. That means your typical fair weather cumulus cloud weighs about 800 million pounds less than air of equal volume. Now you may be thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, this totally explains why clouds float around in the sky. Close. You see, moist air is a lot less dense than dry air. And so as you have warm, humid air go up and condense at higher elevation because it cools up there and it condenses, its density is less than the air around it. And this is why it can float in the sky. And you'll know this density difference because if you've ever been on an airplane that's flying through clear blue sky, and then all of a sudden, say as you're taking off or on final, you fly through a cloud, the plane will be like this through the clear, and as soon as you hit the cloud, the plane is going to drop just a tiny bit because of the reduction of the density of the air. So there you have it. Go dazzle your friends at trivia or something like that with this fact, or make some interesting bets with them and then send them here for the proof and collect on that. Be sure to follow, and subscribe. You can find me at WX Serena on all social media and on the Stormfront Freaks Network.